Hi guys, Harrison here from LED Torch Shop, here to talk to you about our brightest light we sell anyway. It's the Olight X9R Marauder. Now this thing is 25,000 lumens, it is huge. I left it in the box because presentation is actually everything with this torch. It is a really great open. So I'll get it out anyway. So, not only do you get in that nice box, it also comes in this nice casing just saying congratulations and welcome to the Olight family. I mean, that's just a really nice touch, I thought. From Olight, they really go above and beyond with their products. Now, if we get that out of the way, the main thing is this awesome Pelican style case. This thing looks robust. Yeah, it is great. Even down to like the rubberized handle to carry it around. You got these push hinges here to get the torch out. Yeah, they've done a great job on that. I mean, nobody's gonna miss that. Everybody's gonna know what you're carrying around. Even on the back, like all down to that. I mean, yeah, this is a great carry case. To open it up though, like I said, you just got to push these little tabs in, unhinge it up, and then this is what it comes in. So it all has its own spot, it's all pre-cut out for you. Yeah, the foam is a great touch. I mean, you're spending a lot of money on this torch, and it's nice to know if you drop it, it's not going to wreck it. So anyway, in what you get in it is obviously you get this absolute behemoth of a torch, the X9R. Huge light, 25,000 lumens. Yeah, it's absolutely a big beefed out thing. Anyway, I'll put that over here. Just put it on the side. You also get your X9R user manual. And then you get these nice little tabs here. So you get your roll protector that can go on the front, your big charging block, so that's just 240 volt, so any standard 240 volt will be able to charge it. Then in here they give you a 12 volt charging cigarette lighter port as well, which is great. I mean, you're going to want to take this torch with you, so it's good to know you can charge it on the go. And it also leaves it open for a free spot, two little cutouts here for whatever you want, because you're probably going to keep your 240 volt at home. And you get your carrying shoulder strap with it as well. And that's nice, just says Olight all over it. I mean, that actually feels really quality, not super cheap or anything. And yeah, again, you get this awesome case. I'm all over these things. I mean, I absolutely love the extras you get with these torches. Don't know if you know that, guys, but yeah, and it's great to see Olight's really stepping up and giving you something to carry it in. A lot of companies don't, and yeah, like I said, you do pay a lot for these things, and it's good to know that you can rely on them to give it to you. But anyway, a little bit about the torch. Obviously, 25,000 lumens. Sorry, guys. Which is huge. On it, you've got all your measurements. So you've got your lumen output and your battery output next to the on-off button. Right there. This little tab, pull it across, you'll get your DC input to charge it up. Now you can, I believe, get spare batteries for this. We haven't had them in yet because, I mean, they do last for ages. But if you were wondering, battery just comes straight in and out. There is a battery protector on there when you first get it, so make sure you take that tab off. But yeah, so that just goes straight in. That's all it is. I like that design how you can take it in and out, rather than having the whole handle as a battery. Does open it up to a bit more flexibility. It's got some nice finger jimping too, which is kind of like that rubbery exterior, so it's not going to be slippery when wet, because you are going to want to carry this thing around with you everywhere, or on your little lanyard. So they've got like that little clip thing, pops out, lanyard there, shoulder strap and shoulder strap, and away you go. A little bit of specs about it. So they call it levels, but level 8 being the highest. It's 25,000 lumens down to 6,400 lumens, and that's for about 3 to 100 minutes. So being so high, it's not about the battery output of how long it can last. It's literally about the heat. I mean, this thing pumping out that much light gets awfully hot, no matter how it's cooling itself down, if it's got a fan or whatever. Those LEDs just emit so much heat. You don't want it on for a long periods of time, because you're going to damage the torch in one way or another. But yeah, so like 3 minutes on that 25,000 lumens is a long time. Yeah, so like you are going to get like loads of run time, but I mean, like, you're probably not going to have it on high for very long, or or too many times in a row sort of thing. But that it runs 6,000 lumens, or over 6,000, so 6,400. So you're gonna get about 2 hours run time out of that, which is huge. And I mean, all the way to like 400 lumens, 200 lumens, you're gonna get 20 plus hours. So it's gonna run for ages and ages. It's IPX7 rated, so yeah, she's a little bit waterproof. I wouldn't go submerging it for long periods of time, but yeah, in rain and everything, it's going to be absolutely fine. You're going to get away with a lot. Anyway, I'll turn it on. I'm not too sure if you guys are familiar, but I won't be able to really show you it on high, because against here, it's got these little light sensors. So if you can see the small little round circles, they sense the light coming back. So if you've got this thing against a wall close, it'll actually drop down to save your eyes from bouncing off. So yeah, you won't be able to see the full extent of it until you're out in a big paddock or a big bit of open area. So which is great. I mean, it's a smart thing to put in, because you don't want to be shining at a wall and all coming back in your face. Especially that 25,000 lumens is super bright, and you don't want anyone looking at that. So turn it on. You can just press that button once. Now you'll get the battery indicator that's showing about 50%, and then your output level is times 100. So it's at about 8, so it's about 800 it comes on at, which is pretty bright. To turn it up though, so all you have to do is hold down on the so it's not going to go any brighter, but yeah, you just hold down on the button to cycle up, so you can see it getting brighter and brighter. So that's 1,600 lumens, 3,200, and I don't know if we'll go to 64. Yeah, so it's not going to go to 12,000, just because of that, like I said, that bounce back of light. It just drops you down to about that 200 lumen mark. And then a simple one press to off. Every time you touch the button, you will get that indicator light coming on of how much power you got left, and your lumen output. That'll switch off too, it won't stay on the whole time, so that'll just switch off, and you'll be right to go without the lights bothering you or anything. But yeah, this torch is actually really aesthetically pleasing. They've done a great job with the design, all the way to the finger jimping. I mean, I suppose my hands are quite big, and I can get around that. A lot of people might not be able to, but yeah, it does fit nicely in the hand. Even if you have the shoulder strap, you do have those finger jimping there. As for everything, like I think it does have a fan to cool itself down when it's on that 25,000 lumen mark. But yeah, I'll actually find out tonight. I'm going to take this one out, give you a good nighttime view of it. Yeah, hopefully I can get in a good nice area to show you how bright this thing is. And yeah, we'll get to that 25,000 lumen mark. But that's the X9R. It's the highest lumen output one we have. I know there's bigger ones out there, but this thing is just like the whole package. It's actually just top to bottom, it is finished. Yeah, you don't see any extras hanging off, like big fans or anything like some of those lights have. This one's just one big compact unit. and yeah, it is really solid, backed with their 5-year warranty as well, so you don't have to worry about anything going wrong with the torch. They'll replace that. Yeah, they've got real confidence in their products, and if you get one of these in your hands, you'll realise why these things are actually, feel really good. But anyway, if you get a chance, go check it out. I'll drop a link below. The X9R from Olight, and we'll also have a nighttime shot too. I'll get that up for you, and yeah, hopefully it's as impressive as I'm talking about. But yeah, thanks for listening, guys, and yeah, go check it out if you get a chance. Thank you.